Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by dy over dx. Next, I will put dx go to the right and we divide both sides by s. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So s squared divided by s, 1 divided by s. Next, the integration of y, we have y squared over 2. This one we have s squared over 2. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. That is the end. Thank you for watching.